Hello everyone. I hope you are all doing fine. For almost 6 months, everything was working fine with my Motorola ZX Pro TV until suddenly one day the Prime Videos app stopped working. I don't know if I am the only one facing this problem or it's common. So, as you can see, the app opens up fine. Uh, but as soon as I click on the play button, this error message is shown. It says please try again later or go to primevideos.com video help. So I went to this website and I tried to talk to the customer care representative executive that they are present there. They told me to first reinstall the app or check for the latest updated versions. I tried it, but the problem remained the same. Then they asked me to contact them after 4 or 5 days because they are working on their Amazon Prime Videos app for the TV. So I waited for a week and again I contacted them, but this time they told me that the Motorola ZX Pro TV is not in the list of the supported TVs, and that's why they cannot help us at this point of time. So I lost all the hope in Amazon and tried to look on the internet where people have suggested various ways to make this work. First of all, I tried to remove the power optimization because some people were saying because of low network bandwidth, the Amazon app does not work. So maybe because of power optimization, it might be getting low bandwidth. So going into the apps, into special app permissions, I removed the optimize energy use from Prime Videos, and even after removing the optimization of power, it did not work as it was told. So the next option that was pitched to me was to clear the cache memory and clear the data. So I cleared the cache and cleared the data also, and seriously nothing works. You reinstall it, you clear the cache, clear the data, it does not work. Then I looked for any updates if they were available for our Motorola TV, but no, there are no updates currently available. uh, so finally the last option was to factory reset the TV, and I went into the option and I did the factory reset, and as you can see, you might not have tried the reset option till now, but it is very quick. It takes around 5 minutes to just erase all the memory, and after the reset, again I installed the Prime Videos app, re-logged in, but still the problem was same. No resolution to my problem. I tried all the mentioned solutions on the internet, and you can see nothing happens. So please let me know if you have encountered this problem in your TV, and if there is any solution available for this Prime Videos problem. It will be really, I will be really grateful. Thank you very much for logging in.